Hi, friends. I'm glad to see you this week. So, we have been talking a lot about the universe and the sun, our star, and the earth. This week, we're going to really focus on our earth. This is our sandpaper globe. I think I used it last week when we talked about how the Earth spins on its axis and it's tilted. And we talked about how the spinning makes day and night, and the tilt is responsible for our 4 seasons. And we even talked about how the Earth rotates around or orbits around the sun as it's spinning. So, our sandpaper globe has some different textures on it. This blue part is very smooth. What do you think it represents on our Earth? Water, that's right. It represents all of our water. And this rough brown sandpaper, what do you think that represents on our Earth? It represents the land on our Earth. That's right. So we have our land and our water. The earth is made of land and water. I see more water than I see land. Do you notice that too? Okay, so our earth is made of land and water, and there's something all around. Air is what surrounds us all the time. Take a deep breath in. Our air is everywhere. So I want to show you some jars. What do you see in this jar? I see dirt too. Do you see anything else? Do you see the tiny rocks in here too? This jar represents our land on the earth. Say land. Land. It does. It represents the land that's on all over our earth. Land. What do you see in this jar? That's right, friends. Water. This jar shows the water that is all over our earth. The water. Say water. Water. Our earth is made of land and water and surrounded by, what do you see in this jar? It really does look empty, but it's not. It's full of air. Do you see that? It's full of air. Our earth is made of land and water, and air is all around. Okay, I'm going to hold up the jars and see if you can guess which one it is. Ready? Hmm. What's this? That's right, it's water. Hmm. What's this? Land. What's this? Air. Yes, friends. Okay, I'm going to say it again. I want you to repeat it. The earth is made of land and water and surrounded by air. Okay, I'm going to teach you a song to help us remember. Are you ready? The earth is made of land and water, Land and water, land and water, the earth is made of land and water. Air is all around. Let's sing that again. See if you can do the signs with me. This is earth, land, water, and air. Ready? The earth is made of land and water, land and water, land and water. The earth is made of land and water. Air is all around. Okay, my friends, today for our project, we are going to focus on the water of our earth. So, from your envelope, you are going to need your paper with a large circle. You're going to also need, from your envelope, your black construction paper. Okay, that's all you need from your envelope, but we still do need some supplies from our box. Let me show you what you'll need from your box of supplies. Glue stick, crayons, and scissors. Okay, let's check to make sure we have everything we need. Glue stick, scissors, crayons, black paper, and my paper with a large circle. Okay, I have everything. I'm going to move my camera so you can see my workspace better. There we go. Friends, the first thing I need to do is to get out crayons, because I'm going to first start by coloring my whole circle in to show the water of the earth. What color do I need? I was thinking the same thing, blue, but I'm going to use two different blues. I'm going to use a light blue crayon and a dark blue crayon. Remember, if you need to check your colors, you can use the space outside of your circle, because we're going to end up cutting it off. Ooh, I like that color. Yep, these are the two colors that I'm going to choose to use. You might choose two different blue colors. Okay, this is like how we colored the sun. Do you remember how we made swirls of different color? I'm going to start with my light blue. Don't forget, helping hand to hold your paper down. Do you notice how fast I go when I'm in the middle, but then when I get to the edges, I slow down so I stay on the line? Okay, big swirls. Now I'm going to use my other blue color. Okay, I made big swirls. Remember when we did the sun? I said, we're going to color until there's no white spots. I'm seeing lots of white spaces and spots, so I'm going to keep coloring because I want my water to be totally blue. When I color a lot, it makes my hands sore. My hand muscles are working hard when I color. You might need to take a break to rub your working hand. If you need to, take a break and rub your hand and then get back to coloring. The more you color, the stronger your hands are going to be. This is looking fantastic. Remember, we're going to color until all the white spaces are full. Who remembers what this blue is representing on our earth? You got it, the water of our earth. Is there more water or land on our earth? Wow, you remembered. There is more water. Okay, check out my paper. Have I covered all the white spots and spaces? Or are you still seeing more that needs to be colored? I noticed that too. I need to keep working right here. I almost have it all the way finished. Okay, friends, have I colored in all of my circle blue? I don't see any white spaces. What does this blue represent again on our earth? The water. Okay, now I am ready to do some cutting. But first, I'm going to put away my crayons. I'm finished with them for today. I'm going to put them away now so I don't lose them. I'm going to need these again. Okay, now we're ready to cut. Remember, thumbs up. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little cut, cut, cut. Open, shut, open, shut. Give a little cut, cut, cut. I'm doing my best to cut right on the black line. Notice how my helping hand turns while I'm cutting my paper. Keep turning your helping hand. Wonderful. Okay, now my circle is cut out to represent the water on our earth. I'm going to put my cut work here and my scrap paper on the other side. I don't want to mix up my cut paper and my scrap. I'm finished with my scissors, so I'm going to put them back in my box. Now, we need our black paper. I'm going to position my black paper tall. Vertically tall, not horizontally long. Okay, so my paper is going to be tall. And at the very top, I'm going to glue down my blue circle. Roll up your glue. That's just enough. On the back of your circle, I like to make a big circle around the edges, and then I squiggle curved lines in the middle. Perfect. Flatten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll down your glue. That way, your cap won't stick. Did you hear that snap? I know my glue's on all the way. I can put my glue back in my box. Okay, friends, let's see what we have. We have started our project. Our earth is glued down. We colored it blue to represent the water of our earth. Okay, put your work, your project, in your envelope to save, because we'll need that tomorrow. Let's sing our song one last time before we go. Ready? The earth is made of land and water, land and water, land and water. The earth is made of land and water. Air is all around. Thanks for joining me today, friends. Great job on your lesson. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.